Hi everyone, and welcome to our QL-850 tech support tutorial series. Today, we'll show you how to replace the maintenance cartridge on your QuickLabel QL-850 printer. First, open the QL-850 maintenance utility from the desktop, or find your QL-850 maintenance utility under the Start menu, QuickLabel QL-850, and then click on the maintenance utility. Click on the Part Replacement tab, select Maintenance Cartridge, click Next and follow the wizard. Open the door to expose the maintenance cartridge, remove the old maintenance cartridge, insert the new maintenance cartridge, and ensure that you push it all the way in until it locks into place. Close the maintenance cartridge door, and that's it. You've successfully replaced the maintenance cartridge on your QuickLabel QL-850. For additional tech support tutorials, please visit our playlist online. If you have any questions, please contact tech support or visit us online at astronovaproductid.com. Thank you.